Good morning, students. Today I will start a new chapter. I have finished so many chapters and we have done. So today I will start a chapter that is circle. So at first tell me what is circle. So we can tell. I know you will tell me. Circle means it is a closed figure like negative. But what will be the actual definition of a circle? The circle means it is a locus of a point. What is the locus? Locus is in your chapters. Locus means when a point will move in a path, then its path will be its locus. Now, when a point, suppose this is the point P or this is the point S and this is the point O. Now the distance between these 2 points is 2 centimeters and O is the fixed point and S is the movable point. If this point moves from its position with a fixed distance, suppose this distance is 2 centimeters. Again, this point is moved. Now this one comes here, and here the condition will the distance between these 2 points always be fixed. Means this is also 2 centimeters. Then these points will move this. And as a result, when it completes a turn, then its path will be like this. Then the path of this point means locus of this point is a circle. Okay? ধরো এইখানে একটা এইখানে জিতের গলায় আমি একটা কি দিয়ে দিচ্ছি দড়ি দিয়ে দিচ্ছি এইখানে সে দড়ির যে খুঁটিটা এরকম একটা দড়ি বাঁধানো থাকে মানে সুতো দিয়ে সেটাকে আমি এরকম করে মাঠে ফিক্স করে দিলাম। কি করলাম জিতকে ছেড়ে দিলাম ওরা মাঠে যত ভাগ আছে খেয়ে দিল। ও তাহলে এরকম করে ঘরগুলো খেতে থাকবে ও তো এর থেকে বেশি যেতে পারবে না, এখানের ঘাস খেতে পারবে না, ও ইন্টেরিয়র পোর্শনের সব ঘাস এইটা খেতে দিয়ে পুরোটা যখন ওর খাওয়াটাও কমপ্লিট দেখা যাবে ও এরকম ভাবে একটা জিনিস তৈরি করে। তার মানে কি ওর যে লোকাসটা সেটা একটা সার্কেল ফর্ম করেছে, ওর যে লোকাসটা সেটা একটা সার্কেল ফর্ম করেছে, এটা হচ্ছে একটা সার্কেল। এবার সার্কেলটা বোঝা গেছে। সার্কেলের ডেফিনেশন বলে এইভাবে বলবো আমরা। সার্কেলের ডেফিনেশন একটা অনেকে বলছে সার্কেল ইজ এ ক্লোজড ফিগার, ইট হ্যাজ নো লেন্থ, নো ব্রেথ, নো হাইট and nothing dash dash. Just read this. Now you are reading class 10, so you have to take a standard definition. Okay? Now I just draw a circle. Okay? আসার দরকার নেই স্নেহা, থেকে ভালো আমি সার্কেল ড্র করি। Now this is the point, this is G or so B. This is the point P, this is the point O, this is fixed point, this is movable point. The point O is called the center of the circle and the point P is a movable point and the distance between these 2 points is 2 centimeters. This is the radius of the circle, this is the radius of the circle, and now I just join 2 points. This is A, this is B, then this will be the chord of the circle. This is the chord of the circle, and if we join these points P, S, then this will be the chord also, and it is a pressure chord, means this is the greatest chord and it is called the diameter of the circle. It is called the diameter of the circle. Okay. the greatest chord is the diameter of the circle, and you know just diameter of the circle equals to 2 into its radius. Okay. Now if I join these 2 points, then it will be a chord, and this will divide the area of the circle into 2 portions. This is the big portion, this is the small portion. This is called the segment, and it is minor segment. It is minor segment, and the other part is called the major segment. Same as also now this portion of this part is called the arc. This arc portion is called the arc, and arc AB is denoted by, and this is the small arc, so it is called minor arc, and the rest this is the major arc. Okay. Now if we join these 2 points and extend, then this will be a secant. This will be a secant. The secant touches a circle at a 2 point. Now when these 2 points will coincide, then they will looking like this. That time this secant will be called as a tangent of the circle. Tangent of the circle means they will be touch a circle at a point. Means this is a tangent? No, this is not a tangent. If we extend, they will touch at 2 points. The tangent means these 2 points will coincide, and they will look like this. Then this is called the tangent of the circle. Okay. Now let's come to the point. Now I just draw a circle, and this is the center of the circle. This is the arc AB, and this is the center O. Now this arc, if we join this arc 2 points at a point O, then they will form the angle AOB. They will form the angle AOB. This is known as angle formed by the arc at the center. Angle formed by the arc at the center. Which are the arc AB. Same way, the arc AB makes the angle APB at the circumference, where P is a point on the circumference. Okay. Then here the theorem states that is the first theorem of the circle. Very important theorem. The angle subtended by an arc at the center will be double the angle subtended by that arc on the circumference. That is AOP equals to 2 into APB. This is the first theorem. Okay. Means center angle will be the double of the circumference angle of the same arc. You should remind it. Okay. So this is the first one. Now this is the first theorem. Second theorem. What is the second theorem? This is the arc AB, and it makes an angle APB on the circumference. Suppose hypothetically say I will take the point here P. Okay, you can take it. So I will need another name Q. Then what will be the angle formed at the point Q? AUB. The theorem states that these 2 angles are equal. APB for AUB. Why? The same arc makes the angle at the circumference at different places or different points, but their angle will be same. How? This angle is the double of center angle. This angle is the double of center angle, and both are equal. Both angles will be the double of center angle. Suppose the center angle is 120, then it will be your 60 and it will be your 60. Therefore, these 2 angles are equal now. If you take another one, suppose here are, then this angle is also equal. means all the angles on a same arc are equal at the circumference. The angle formed at the circumference, the PQR will be in the on the circle. Okay, these points are on the circle, not the interior, not the exterior. This is number 2 theorem. And number 3, the angle in the semicircle is right angle. See, this is the center, this is the diameter. If we join two endpoints of the diameter at any point on the circle, then this angle equals to 90 degrees. Suppose anyone take the point here Q, same as also, nothing problem. This is also 90 degrees. Therefore, we can write APB equals to 90 degrees. The theorem is angle in semicircle is right angle. Angle in semicircle is right angle. Okay. These three are the main theorem of the first exercise here. Total 3 or 4 exercises are here. The in previous syllabus, 4th exercise were there. Now one exercise just point to the class 9 syllabus. Now only 3 exercises are there. Okay. All of you see the exercise. Circle is a big chapter, okay? We will complete very soon. But interesting chapter. একবার যদি মাথায় ঢুকে যায় আর কোনো চিন্তা নেই। সাইড অঙ্কগুলো মুখে হয়ে যাবে না। ফার্স্ট ওয়ান, A, B, C, D. This is 50 degree. This is 42 degree. This is X. And you have to find the value of X. Okay, let's see. Now you have to find the value of X. How you will find? At first, how to see? This is 50. This is the arc AB. It makes an angle 50. Same arc AB makes an angle AD. Therefore, we can say that ADB equals to ACB equals to 50 degree. Why? The theorems, second theorem, angle in the same line segment. It is called. You have to write the result. Okay, angle in the same line segment. So this is 50 means this is also 50. Now all of you see, this is a triangle. 3 angles are given, and we know the angle sum properties of a triangle. The sum of 3 angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, we can write x plus 42 degree plus 50 degree equals to 180 degree, or x equals to 180 degree minus 92 degree equals to 88 degree. This is the value of x. Okay. Now all of you see 1, 6. I do first and last time. This is A, B, C, this is B, this is P, this is C, this is H degree, this is 25, this is 35. So you have to find the value of x. No problem. After that, this angle is 25. Same as also this angle is 25. Because these are angle in the same line segment. Therefore, we can write angle BCB equal to angle BAB equal to 25 degree. You have to write that is an angle in the same line segment. Angle in the same line segment. Okay. Now this is the exterior angle of this triangle. We know exterior angle equals to sum of other two interior angles. Therefore, x equals to 25 degree plus 35 degree. We know exterior angle equals to sum of other two interior angles. Right here is an exterior angle of a triangle equals to sum of other two interior angles. If anyone can do 180 minus x, this plus this equals to 180. Same. There is no changes. 5 plus 5, 10, 3 plus 60 degree. Okay. Next, 2, 3. H degree, this is 130, this is 80 degree, and its name A, B, C. Okay. So अच्छा एक পুরোটা হচ্ছে x যাই হোক এই পুরোটা হচ্ছে x और कुछ सीखा এটা দুভাবে করা যায় ইজি ভাবে বুঝতে হবে this is 130 this is 80 তাহলে this angle will be and keep its name it is O angle AOB equals to 360 degree minus 80 plus 130 ना 360 degree minus 210 that is 150. Now all of you see this is the angle subtended by this arc at the center and this is the angle subtended by same arc at the circumference. I told the theorem this angle will be the double of this angle. That is this angle will be the half of this angle. Center angle is the double of circumference angle. Same as circumference or angle is the half of center angle. Therefore we can write x equals to 1/2 into angle AOB, that is 1/2 into 150 degree, that is 75 degree. You have to write the result. The angle in center is double of angle in circumference is half of angle in center. Okay. Two five. Here you have to find the value of x, same as also nothing. This is 135. So at first you have to find this angle AOB equals to 180 minus 135. Linear है ना? That is 45 degree. Now all of you see this angle formed by this arc at the circumference. Again, this arc makes the angle at the center. This angle, we know this angle will be the half of this angle. Therefore, we can write x equals to 1/2 into BOC. That is 1/2 into 45 degree. That is 22 and 1/2. Next 3B. This will be chapter. Dupa. You have to find angle ABC. You have to find this angle. So issue power to solve. This is the angle. Now you have to find this angle. And this angle is known as reflex of angle AOC. AOC equals to 130 degree. Now you have to find reflex AOC. Reflex AOC equals to 360 degree minus 130 degree. That is 230 degree. Now all of you see these are ACR make the angle at the center 230 degree. Same as also ACR make the angle at the circumference it is. And we know this angle is the double of this angle. Therefore this angle will be the half of this angle. That is angle ABC equals to 1/2 into 230. That is 115. OD. y. Given them a, b, c, d. Now we have to find the x and y. You can find easily x. What is the value of x? X equals to half of AOC. So find x equals to half of angle AOC. We have to write the region. 1/2 into 120 degree. That is the value of x equals to 60 degree. If you know the second, when you learn the second exercise, then you can get easily the value of y. In second exercise, there is x plus y equals to 180. One theory is there, but we don't know now, so we have to apply this theory. Again, same as also find this angle, and this angle will be the half of this angle. Therefore, reflex of AOC equals to 360 degree minus 120 degree. It is nothing, just equals to 240 degree. Therefore, y equals to 1/2 into 240 degree. That is 120 degree. Next 5b. Degree, 140 degree. This is O, B, A and C. First you have to find angle ACD. So find reflex AOB. At first find reflex AOB. 360 minus 140. 360 minus 140. Then it will be 220. Now you got this angle, and this angle will be the half of this angle. Therefore, number 1, ACB equals 1/2 into 220. That is 110 degree. Second, OBC, this angle, you got this angle, and this is a quadrilateral. Its 4 angle equals to sum of 4 angle equals to 360 degree. Therefore, OBC equals to 360 degree minus rest 3 angle, 110 plus 50 plus 140. That is 360 degree minus 300. That is 60 degree. This is number 2. And number 3, OAB means this angle. আচ্ছা, আমরা যখন AB টা জয়েন্ট করছি তখন কি হচ্ছে বলতো? A ও B একটা isosceles triangle হচ্ছে. Means OA equals to OB. Why? These are the radius of this triangle. Therefore, this angle OAB equals to OBA. OA equals to OB. This implies that OAB equals to OBA. Equals to 180 degree minus 140 degree by 2. that is 40 by 2, that is 20 degree. Okay. Now CBA. You got this is 20 degree, and in previous you got OBC equals to 60 degree. Then it will be 40 degree. 60 minus 20. Number 4. CBA equals to 60 minus 20 is equal to 40. Okay. Next 6B. A, B, C, A, O, this is the E, and this is the D. This is 32. EBC. This is 32. Calculate CA, CEA and COA. দেখো ওটা কিন্তু সেন্টার, এটা সেন্টার না। কেউ ভাবে এটা ডবল করে দেবো হয়ে যাবে, ওরকম না। রিজন দেখা যাবে। ECB equals to EDC. ECB equals to EBC. This is 32, this is 32. That is ED equals to EC. And we know this angle. This is the exterior angle. This equals to this term. CA. Number 1. CEA equals to 32 plus 32. We will write the result. Exterior angle equals to sum of opposite triangle. Okay. Now COA. Very good. COF is double of this because CF arcta center angle হচ্ছে COF, CF arcta circumference angle হচ্ছে CDF. Therefore we can write number 2 COA equals to 2 into CDF. That is 2 into 32 equals to 64. Next 7B. B, and this is the center O. ABC equal to 40 degree. It is the diameter. Calculate BSC. Same ABC equal to 40 equal to ADC. Angle in the same direction. You write the reason. And since AD is the diameter, then this angle equals to 90 degree. I told you angle in semicircle is right angle. ACD equals to 90 degree. Right here, angle in semicircle is right angle. Angle in semicircle is right angle. Now you can find this is 90 degree and this is 40 degree. You have to find this angle. So this is how angle EAC equal to 180 degree minus 90 plus 40, which is equal to 50 degree. Okay. So homework today. If you write down the homework is 1, 2, 5, 2, 2, 4, 3A, 4B, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A, and 8A also. These are homework. To submitted by tomorrow. Okay, I have to finish my syllabus. No more today. Okay, bye.